Good morning. Today we're going to work out compound area. Compound area is where we have a combination of shapes, but we want to work out the total area of the shape. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of examples and then you can have a go at the worksheet that I've set for you to do. So the example on the left is of like an L shape, but it's actually much easier if we break it up into two shapes, which we know the area of how to work out the area of them. So if you were to split this shape into, let's say, these two rectangles, it might be a lot easier to work out the total area. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this rectangle rectangle A and this rectangle rectangle B. Area of rectangle A. Well, it's a rectangle, so it's base times height, or height times width. So it's going to be 20 times 12. 10 times 12 is 120, 20 times 12 is 240. We are working in centimetres, so it's centimetres squared. So then we need to consider the area of shape B. We have one length of 5 centimetres, but we don't have the other length. So what we need to do is we need to use the lengths that they've given us. They've told me this whole length is 22, but this bit up here is 12. Now we know because rectangles, they have opposite side lengths are the same. This must be 12 centimetres as well. Therefore this bit along here must be 10 centimetres. So now we can work out the area of the rectangle because we have the other dimension. So it's 10 times 5, which equals 50 centimetres squared. So the total area equals 240 plus 50, which equals 290 centimetres squared. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward really. If you can break it up into two different shapes, and then you can find the dimensions of the shape that you're trying to find out for individual. Now this one's a bit different because it's not two rectangles that we're going to look at, but it still shouldn't pose a problem because if we were to split this shape along this line here, we've got a rectangle and we've got a triangle. We just need to find the missing lengths. So let's work out the area of A first because that's nice and easy, and then we can work out the area of B afterwards. So area of A equals 9 times 15, which equals 135, and this is meters, so it's meters squared. Area of B. So what we have here is a triangle. So the area of a triangle remember the formula, base times height, divide the whole thing by 2. So what we need is the base and the height of a triangle, and then we divide the product by 2. So let's see if we can work out what this base is. Now I know this distance all along here must be equal to 15. So 15 take away 6 equals 9. So therefore this is 9 meters of a base. 9 plus 6 makes 15. 14, this bit here is 9. So what do I need to add to 9 to make it up to 14? 14 take away 9 equals 5. So this must be 5 meters. So now I have my base and I have my height. So to work out the area of a triangle, I'm going to do 9 times 5, divide the answer by 2. 45 divided by 2 equals 22.5 meters squared. So the total area equals 22.5 plus 135, which equals 157.5 meters squared. And that's compound area for you. So now, like I said, have a go at the sheets, and I'll put some answers up for you later. Okay, bye.